Hi, I'm Ken Eaghgeigh. Welcome to Outside with me, Ken Eaghgeigh, outside. Here we're at a gate in the countryside. Let's go through. As you can see, we've got a babbling brook behind us, and there are many kinds of nature animals that live on there, such as ants, dinosaurs, and the spectre of Phil Tufnell. Of course, the outdoor is also home not just to moving around animals, but to still life as well, like trees, hills, and these naturally occurring pylons and stones. Many people who live in towns and more urban settings might not be used to things like this, but I think it might have been my favourite naturist, Isambard Kingdom Brunel, who said, "Take the countryside and stick it up your arse." Animal shit. There. A lone sheep. All by itself. In contemplation? Possibly not. This sheep has been ostracised because it's gay. You might not think it to look at it, but most botanists who know their onions would refer to this tree as a twat. Most people say that trees are kind of a low-level animal, and if that's the fact, then they must have some kind of sexual reproductive organs. If branches are penises, surely trees must have a vagina? So what have we learned today about nature? Well, nature will always be here, and love it or hate it, it'll always be here to stay with you forever.
Cunt.